Investor Report, Yield Max MicroStrategy, Option Income Strategy ETF, MSTY. As of January 29th, 2025, MSTY is an actively managed ETF that seeks monthly income through a synthetic covered call strategy on MicroStrategy, a company heavily leveraged to Bitcoin. Launched in February 2024, it combines cash-secured call options with collateral in U.S. Treasuries. MSTY offers a trailing 12-month dividend yield of 111%, with recent monthly payouts ranging from 1.85 to 4.42 US dollars per share. The strategy monetizes MicroStrategy's volatility by selling out-of-the-money call options, generating substantial premiums, especially during Bitcoin price swings. MicroStrategy's stock is a proxy for Bitcoin, and MSTY's performance is indirectly tied to BTC's price movements. Analysts note potential upside if Bitcoin rallies toward 120K or higher. Since inception on February 21, 2024, MSTY has delivered 225% cumulative returns and outperformed the S&P 500 by a wide margin. With $1.9 billion in net assets and an average daily volume of around 4 million shares, MSTY is highly liquid, trading on the New York Stock Exchange with a narrow bid-ask spread of around 0.1%. However, MSTY's strategy is entirely dependent on MicroStrategy, exposing investors to single stock risk. MicroStrategy's 400% surge in 2024 highlights volatility, but a crypto winter-style downturn could erase gains. Note that the covered call strategy limits participation in MicroStrategy's price gains while exposing investors to 100% of losses if MicroStrategy declines. For example, MSTY underperformed MicroStrategy in 2024 despite high distributions. Note that MSTY's distributions may include return of capital, eroding NAV over time. A 0.99% expense ratio and high portfolio turnover increase costs, which could compound losses in bear markets. MSTY underperforms in bullish trends due to capped gains. Technical indicators currently signal a sell signal with bearish moving averages. But with Bitcoin adoption growing and regulatory clarity improving, MicroStrategy's stock and MSTY's premiums could benefit from renewed crypto optimism in 2025. The covered call strategy thrives in range-bound or volatile markets, offering consistent income if MicroStrategy fluctuates without trending sharply upward. MSTY High Yield appeals to investors seeking monthly cash flow, though it should be a small, tactical portion of a diversified portfolio. For aggressive investors, MSTY is a high-risk, high-reward tool for income seekers comfortable with Bitcoin-linked volatility. For conservative investors, avoid due to concentration risk and unsustainable yield mechanics. Key action items: monitor Bitcoin trends and MicroStrategy's stock performance. Assess monthly distributions and option trades for signs of capital return versus genuine income. Diversify with lower risk income ETF to mitigate single stock exposure.